Hey everyone, this is Aaron with Crypto Trends. Today, March 25th, 2019. Taking a look at Bitcoin estimates, BTC to 7.5 trillion. Bakkt Series A, yeah, valuation for that. And EVX is on fire. It is official. What is EVX? We'll be taking a look at that. First off, please keep in mind that this is not financial advice, just my opinion. Let me make sure that I'm streaming here. Yay, I'm streaming. That's always a good thing. I'll break out the chat. And there we go. So if anybody's on there, go ahead and ask your questions and stuff like that. Okay, so what is going on with... Well, let's take a look at Bakkt first, okay? And... do we want to do that? No, let's go take a look at Bitcoin, okay? So Mike Novogratz says Bitcoin will pass gold's $7.5 trillion market cap. Yeah, and if you didn't know, Mike Novogratz is the CEO of Galaxy Digital, which is one of the largest investment firms in the crypto world, okay? And anyway, so let's go see what he has to say about this. We'll just give it a quick quote here. He says, I think the macro case for Bitcoin is pretty strong. And so if you can put a couple percent of your portfolio in, there's a decent chance it catches wind. Also says that, keep in mind that Fidelity is just getting set up. Bakkt continues to get delayed, but it's coming. It's not going to be delayed forever. They're going to be in the game. He also says, and there's lots of other players coming. Gold right now has about an $8 trillion market cap. And so that's only, 100x off of that. Bitcoin is going to get there in the next year. Not in the next year or two, but, he's looking longer term, 10, 20 years, okay? He says that could happen. Easy, he says. And that's given like zero optionality to all the other stuff. It's like nothing else, just Bitcoin as it is. Whammo bammo. 20 years, $7.5 trillion market cap. And during our all-time highs that we had in January, we were at 830, 850 billion. So not too far off from hitting the $1 trillion mark. So yeah, so this is Mike Novogratz. So he's talking about that on Bitcoin. What else? He's also related into this Bakkt series. So Bakkt Series A valuation is estimated at $740 million now. So they just had their first round of funding, and they raised $182.5 million. So based off of that, Bakkt is being valued at $740 million for its Series A funding round. Okay, so that's great. And Bakkt, of course, is, they're going to be having digital asset services and Bitcoin futures, right? Bitcoin futures. That's the big thing. The important thing down here is that they're thinking that, let's see. Okay, in that round, they had investors like Boston Consulting Group, Goldfinch Partners, ICE, Microsoft's Venture Capital Fund, Pantera Capital, Protocol Ventures, and Galaxy Digital. Wow, we just looked at that, didn't we? Mike Novogratz is the CEO of Galaxy Digital. And what is he doing? He's calling for $7.5 trillion market cap. You'd think he might have a little bit of information that we don't. I don't know. You tell me. Put that in the comments below. I thought that was interesting. And this stuff is, these articles are like hot off the press. Another one that's hot off the press, and we'll get to EVX here pretty soon, is this is like really hot off the press, okay, minutes ago. Bixie begins accepting public beta signups. Yeah, so Bixie, an up and coming all-in-one crypto exchange platform, is now taking signups. Okay. So you can go ahead and check that out. I have a link below. They're going to have like a token and all this stuff. One thing that's really cool, they're carrying, well, some standard coins, yeah. And then also a really nice standard coin, DigiByte, yeah, which is awesome. I saw that and I said, well, I just have to talk about this thing. They're also doing hot. All right, so I mean, just with those two, I'm liking this thing. I haven't even seen it, so I might have to go check it out. I might have to go check out Bixie. Anyway, link is below. Go ahead and do that if you like. Excuse me a sec. Need some coffee. Okay, so what is going on with this Everex, EVX? We take a look at it over on Binance. Well, that's hot right now. Let's go take a look at EVX. So we'll just scroll on over. EVX, there it is. This is the ETH pair. 119%. Isn't that nice? Okay, so this is on the 4 hour. Let me scroll on over. Wham! Look at that. What a spikorama. And notice that's just one gigantic spike, right? Notice how quickly it came down. But it's still doing pretty good. I mean, it was way up here. That's at 0.008. Right now it's at 0.004. So it already came down a good chunk. But what is going on with this? Well, we take a look at them. They have a little post that they did today on March 25th. So, from the desk of Anna Vladi, the COO of Everex, and this is in New York, New York. She's excited to write the first piece of news from Everex US. A great launch in January. Okay. Anyway, what's going on is that they basically got approved. They got approved in New Jersey. New Jersey. That's right next to New York, right? New Jersey. Not too far from Texas. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, so New Jersey. This is a pretty important thing. And they have the New Jersey, that's their first state for money transmission compliance. And they got great news that they are able to start onboarding clients. Yeah. They're able to start onboarding clients. And they say, note, we do not have our full license yet. However, we can start the test of the clients doing crypto-to-crypto transactions and letting clients exchange fiat crypto in our wallet. Okay, so Everex is a Singapore-based company that started in Asia, and they build products to help with remittances between Asian countries. Okay, helping the non-banked. That's what they're doing. Building a payments platform is what they want to do. The long term, where customers and merchants can transact on the blockchain and take advantage of low transaction fees, zero clearing, and immediate settlements. Okay. So that's Everex. And if you go over and take a look at their website, blockchain powered payments, money transfers, and currency exchange. They have their little wallet there. Notice here it says remittance only. Okay, they're still getting set up on this, but they pretty much got to go ahead to give it a try. So very, very big news that came out, and wow, what a big spike, right? What a big spike. So congratulations to all those Everex holders out there. EVX is the ticker. You can get them on Binance. And really, what else is going on here? So I covered this. I covered that. Here's Everex, Novogratz. Keep an eye on Novogratz. Here's Everex. Okay, I'll kill that. And here's Bitcoin. Let's go take a look at Bitcoin because we had a little bit of action today, right? Not so much. Not so much, really. This is on the 4-hour logarithmic on Bitfinex. Anyway, yeah, what I was calling for is for it to go up, and then when it goes up, it has a dip, and then it goes back up again. So went up, boom, came down, and so I'm expecting it to come back up again. So we'll see. This kind of move, completely normal, man. Nothing to worry about. I mean, nothing to worry about. It's within the trading range. It's going to be bouncing around up here. Looking for it to come up and do another test. When it starts going up, to do another test on this white line here, which is the upper bound of the trading range. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. That's when things are going to get interesting. Yeah. So basically, that's about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified. I'm going to go check the chat, see if anyone's there. But I'm pretty much calling this one a quick one tonight. Fawad's there. Hey, Fawad, how's it going? Says, keep up the good work. Thanks. Then Hanjo says, before the 2017 bull run, random alts like EVX had those green lights. Green lightsabers pop out of nowhere. Yeah, they sure did. This one actually has some news that went along with it. They had actually a substantial piece of news for them. Green light for them to do some stuff in New Jersey. So we'll see how that goes for them. And I could actually see that. A lot of times back in 2017, you would have just pump and dumps where, why did it go up? Well, because it's Tuesday, of course. I mean, that was their reasons. But yeah, anyway. So that's about it. Just keeping a short one here, guys. Not a whole lot of news going on, to say the least. Just, you know, some people are really worried about this little trading thing. I mean, look at it. When you scroll out, it's just little nothing. We're still going up. Okay. You draw the lines here. Yeah. Doesn't look so bad. A lot of people kind of blow things out of the water, I think, sometimes. And that's okay. People get excited. I get excited sometimes. Any big winners? Yeah, so right now it's at 124%. Okay, so it's gone up 5% since doing this video. Hey, okay. Imagine that. That is news, though. That is bumped off of the news instead of bumped off of a pump and dump or something else. Okay, this was really out of the blue. Look at the volume here. Nothing, and like that got released, and all of a sudden, oh crap. Whammo. And now it's at 126, 127. Let's go to the minute thing on this bad boy. It is like going up right now, isn't it? Whoa, 128. Look at it go. Let's scroll in. Look at it. It is like spiking right now. Let's go to the 1 minute. Okay, and back down. We're just going to watch this thing for a bit. Ooh, big dump. Sometimes I just like to eat popcorn and barbecue while I'm watching these things go up and down. There it goes. I mean, it is, give you some perspective here. Notice how high that is and how much further it can go. Yeah, a lot of upward. So is there upward pressure? Yeah, right around in here. You see all this stuff here? Just draw a line like at the bottom of those. Come on, thing. There. So all this stuff is like, you know, it had support, so previous support turns into resistance going up. It bounced off pretty close. I don't have that exact, so no biggie. But yeah, look at that bad boy. It went up and it's really trying. On such big news, that's pretty substantial resistance there. So best of luck to all the Everex holders. Yeah, that was kind of fun to watch, wasn't it? 129%, 130%. It's going up again. Oh, there it goes. 131%. Holy moly. Okay, that I would say that's pumping. So yeah, what do you guys think of EVX? Have you ever pay much attention to it? Oh, 133%. Okay. And I didn't get into this. Why? Why? I don't know. Oh, it keeps on going up. This thing might go up to 150. Let's go back out to the okay, so it came up here. Where's it finding resistance at? So let's draw a line here. That's another come on thing. That's another hardcore resistance line. Looks like it paid little attention to this lower resistance mark, and it's still going up. Is it going up still? Isn't this exciting? I'm just chilling. Okay, so it's at 130% now. It's dogging. It's dogging. It's going to come down. Oh, it came down. One thing to note here is that we'll see this. See how we have two here? This one's lower, and this one's higher. This would be called a what is that called? It's from Bill Williams. It is a Bill Williams. Let me go over here. It's an indicator. Fractal. So yeah, Bill Williams fractal, and that happens when you have two lower on both sides of something. Like on this guy, you have two higher. You have this one, well, that's not a good one. This one's better. So you have two lower on both sides. And so the center one is a fractal. And there's an indicator you can look at. Let me go over to Trading View. Let's see, do they have fractals on here? Well, this should be Trading View. Where are the indicators? The non-standard indicators. I don't know. Let me go to Trading View. Doesn't matter what chart we look at, really. Okay, so let's look at this, and then if you go up here to indicators, and you go down to fractals, Williams fractal, there it is. See all those little bird beaks and stuff? So just pick one. So let's say this one here. So two lower on both sides, okay? Two lower on both sides, so that's a fractal. And you can play with that. It's kind of interesting, and you can basically see where it's going to go, okay? Interesting thing. Check out Bill Williams. Bill Williams talks about alligators and all that good stuff. And since we've been gone, it looks like it went up and tested this other resistance line, didn't it? What is that? Is that 140%? 150, 133, 135. Well, that's because it's going down right now. Well, it's up again now. That's 135. That's pretty interesting to watch, the thing pump. Isn't that cool? So how far is this thing going to dump? Is it going to dump back down here to this line and find resistance? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Oh, it's turning green again. There's a lot of volume. Oh, is it going to blow through that? It's not going to have any respect. Is it going to have any respect at all? Come on, have some respect for TA and bounce below. Well, it's respecting it. Oh, it has no respect for TA. You believe it? It's dissonant, man. Oh well. What else can we do off of this bad boy? I don't think I've ever charted 1 minute before. Let's see what this thing looks like on the 15 minute. Okay. So yeah, it can go up. Yeah, way up. Okay, so that's interesting stuff. I'll let you guys watch that show tonight. Okay, Hanjo says, FYI, DigiByte has great support and can be contacted via their Telegram channel. Yep, absolutely. DigiByte is awesome. If you don't know about DigiByte, check it out. Check it out. And Amor's here. Hey, Amor, how's it going? This is a great job, brother. Thank you. So Hanjo said, going back to DigiByte, they just helped me with an issue with my Android wallet. Yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, it's like they're real people, huh? Yeah, friendly, great community. It's, you know, awesome. They've been around for a long time. Just did a transfer, doing a test transfer from Bittrex to a mobile wallet. And that one actually went pretty fast. So, I don't know, Hanjo, were you on a Bittrex or a different exchange? I think you were on a different exchange, right? And that one took about 30 to 50 seconds with one confirmation. And this other one took less than that. So it's kind of interesting. Yeah, and then TRX found fake Twitter followers. You know what else I think TRX found? I think TRX found fake volume. Yeah. That's what I think. I think it always has. But, you know, don't quote me on that. Don't quote me on that. Let's go out to a day. But really, if you're just playing the market, it doesn't matter if it's fake or not, right, guys? It doesn't matter if it's manipulated or not. Who cares? It's a slot machine. You put your money in and you can get your money out, right? For the most part, they pay out. Binance does. I can't talk about the others. You know, I don't know about the others. Qcoin's good. Binance don't have a problem with. And so, yeah, you can say, okay, fake volume, fake this, fake that. Yeah, well, so a lot of things are fake. Look at the news. You believe what's in the news? You know, that article on Sun, just to give them the benefit of the doubt, that could have been fake. Somebody could have some type of I don't know, vendetta or something against Justin Tron. Yeah, that's what I'm calling him, Justin Tron. So we'll yeah, I changed his name for him. Yeah, so we'll see. But I mean, looking at the chart, this is, whoops, is that a better one? If I go there, then it's 3. That's, see, I'm looking for 3 points. So, where's it at now? Right there. Trying to decide which one looks better. That one does. That one looks better. So we'll draw this one then. Come on. Get up there. Okay, there. Come up. Boom. Now I like to draw them like that so you can see so you can measure the angles. Boom, boom. It's coming off of a big mountain peak here. Normal retracement right around resistance. Yeah, looking pretty good, pretty strong. Yeah, you could have something going on here, right? This was a very nice, looks like they hit the buyer's climax right here. Buying climax, the BC. And then, yeah, down it goes. But it came and hit this line here, which was above this line. Which to me, I mean, it tested it It tested it right here and bounced off. See that little neckline there on that V? So it bounced off there but came up here. So that's looking pretty, that's looking kind of bullish to me still. I mean, price-wise, price action-wise, Tron's looking okay, man. If it comes down here, what I would expect, you can kind of think of this as like a head and shoulders and stuff. It could just keep on going. Though there might be another test to the, yeah, what would be another test area right around in here. So yeah, this whole thing, actually, I'm going to call this whole thing a trading range. And so yeah, we can expect it to bounce around there, which would be, you know, good healthy thing for Tron. But Tron is actually looking pretty strong. Yeah, just hit a buying climax if you look at that. Yeah, I could also do like another secondary test and see how much higher this thing can go up. So it's going to be testing the upper, and then it's going to be testing the lowers, and interesting things. And the whole point is just to see how much can be dumped onto the other purchasers from the composite operator. This is from a composite operator, which is a really good sign that a big player is involved. That's who forced that up. So that's actually a really good sign that a composite operator is in play on Tron. That's why I see it. Yeah, so best of luck to Tron holders. The actual you know, the chart and the stuff like that, the price action, hey, go for it. The project, I don't like it. But, you know, I'm not married to it. Fundamentally, I don't like it. But price action, I don't care who it is, right? I'll look at price action on Tiddlywinks. Which some coins are worth less. Oh, well. So, yeah, Hanjo, good to hear that DigiByte people, they helped you out. So that's awesome. And Kat Chi wants to know what I think about BNB. Another strong coin. I use it. It's a utility coin for me. Do you think there's going to be more users of Binance in the future? Yeah. Do you think they're going to be using the BNB coin? Yeah. Do you think they're going to be onloading more coins, that they're going to be supporting them? Like the last one they had. What was it? Oh, that CL thingy. Oh, what was it? It wasn't that one. They just launched it against BNB, didn't they? As you can see, I was so clear thing or whatever it was. There it is, seller. Yeah, so that's an awesome chart, man. Call that getting Binanced. But the thing is that they have them. They have Bread, the Bread wallet. They have on their platform that launched. And so, do you think they're going to be launching several more coins directly under their platform? If so, yeah, hey, well then that's going to be Binance, okay? They do have competition on this. I mean, you have Qcoin, and then you have that some other exchanges coming out. You have a really nice good one that's really going to be making waves, and that's Ocean X, OCE. From there, you on board with VET, VET. Isn't that cool? So this is Binance, and so let's go take a look at BNB. We'll look at that versus USD. We'll just blow it up, because I buy Binance really when I need to, regardless of price. So yeah, I had some back here. Yeah, that was cool. Did I really care? No, I still spent it on trades, right? It's utility for me, and that's what you do. Okay, so it jumped across the creek. Actually might be, is it in redistribution? Trying to see if I think it's in redistribution. You have a markup phase here. Wicked sell-off there. Your automatic rally, your cause and your effect. It came up, tested this level on this one, which is interesting. Might see a slight cooling off period. And then another test. We'll see what happens. Or, of course, yeah, it can go down. And then, so you always got to keep in mind that the possible range that this thing could be is anywhere in here, right? Anywhere in here. Yeah, that's the market. Of course, you guys know that. Not trading advice. I'm just thinking right now, let's take a look at the angle here. I like to check out angles to see if things are getting sleepy. Or if they're too steep. Oh, that one's getting really steep. Almost 70%. Let's see. Let me get out. Yeah, this is on the day. Okay, it's on auto. Okay. Let's measure it from there. So that's 50%. Okay. Spike's going up. Yeah. Let's take a look at this one here. Yeah, looks like it's getting a little bit sleepy. And by that, what do I mean? Is that if you just take a look at these angles here, you can compare them. It goes like this, and so it's getting sleepy. Okay. Good example is this right here. It went up, got kind of sleepy, then it went to sleep. Okay. That's basically what you're doing, and so you're drawing on the tangents of the curve. Again, the instantaneous slope. You ever taken calculus, you know what I'm talking about. You hated that, right? Remember this crap? Yeah, area under a curve. Of course you do. Yeah, you don't want to see it. But that's basically what you're doing when you put those angle lines on. Let me clean this up. And I'm just giving some time here because BNB looks interesting. I really don't look at it. I really just get it for utility. I usually do 3, okay? So this one, yeah. You guys get the idea, right? So you just kind of line them up. And the thing with these angle lines, they're not exact all the time. They move all over when you zoom in and out. It's kind of a pain. Yeah, so you see positive, 0, that's the apex, right? Negative. Yeah, so there you go. You guys get the idea. But it got sleepy. The rate started to decrease. And then when it hits 0, it goes negative, right? There you go. But yeah, I mean, Binance goes down to a couple pennies, I'll buy some. Yeah. Because I use it. Does anybody else use Binance? Hit the like if you do. So Gio wants me to check out Ren? What is Ren? Ren. Do 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 do. 23.5. Yeah, okay, let's go look at his social. Not very many. 800 on Reddit. How long have they posted? A month ago, 2 months ago, 7 days ago. Okay, join Red Ambassador program 14 days ago. Okay. Sure want people to do ambassador work for them. What are they saying here on their Twitter? I'm just looking for best Renex and swap. Okay. Okay, so they have some updates. Not reading what they are, really. Unstoppable privacy. Nope, sorry, not interested. Scam. Anything that's privacy, that sells itself on privacy. Well, let's go take another look at it, okay? That might have been unfair. Transfer tokens in zero knowledge, trustless swap between blockchains. Trade on a dark pool. That is BS. They can't do that. Build any privacy preserving applications. Nope, they can't do that. Never reveal anything. Nope, they can't do that. So what other things do they have? Guys, it's on a network. Nothing is private, okay? If this was the most secure thing, it still wouldn't be private, because then what? The hardware layer itself is compromised. Your phone and your computer at the chip level, it's compromised. It's also compromised in the routers, in the ISP. You can't get away, okay? So anything that says privacy, blah. That is, for me, not interested, because it's a big crock. And you know, I've only been programming since '78, so I don't know anything. Yeah, so sorry that wasn't a great review, but that was a pretty in-depth review. I gave them a second chance, and no. But you know what, as far as price action, like on Tron and stuff, hey, doesn't matter, right? Follow your gut, follow your instinct. Don't listen to me. You know, I don't play with your money. If you like it, go ahead. I mean, something like that EVX could happen for it out of the blue. Wham! You know, it's a speculator's market right now. Okay, it's a speculator's market. And follow your own gut. Don't listen to what I say or any other YouTuber on there. We're on here for entertainment purposes. We're on here to get you thinking on your own, to show you some skills and stuff like that. You know, so you can enjoy trading. I mean, it's a wonderful thing to say, okay, well, I call this is the automatic rally. That's the markdown. This is selling climax. Okay, this is going to be the markup up here. And it comes right, and then pretty soon maybe you'll just be able to freehand draw lines because you can just tell where the thing's going. That's fun, man. So, yeah, follow your own. Follow your own. Best of luck to you. Oh, what was the name of the indicator in TradingView? Okay, we'll go back to there, the indicator. We'll just scroll on down. So you saw how I brought that up, right? And it's under built-ins. Okay, built-ins. You just scroll on down to Williams. Okay, Williams has 3. He has the %R. He has the alligator, which he's like really known for. He's also known for fractal. So this is what I was looking at, the fractal. And I spoke about this before. And let's zoom in on this bad boy here. Let's go to the day. Okay, so this is Bitcoin, right? So this one right here, that would be a fractal. What makes a fractal? You think of this being as your middle finger, okay? So the 2 to the left are lower than the top here, and the 2 to the right are lower than the top here. That would make a fractal. And so this little indicator just marks them nice for you. And all it's doing is basically just saying, whoops. All it's doing is basically just saying, hey, this one candle right here was the top, and so mark it. All right? Because there's 2 here, and there's 2 here. And then it does the same thing below. 1, 2. 1, 2. So that was a turning point. That's what they're actually showing you as a turning point. Boom. Now I have to go kill all this. It's okay. So that is the name of the fractal. Check out, there's a lot more stuff behind it. You might like the alligator and all that good stuff. That's Dr. Bill Williams. There's some stuff on YouTube. You can look at it. I use it sometimes, not very often. Really, the main indicator that I use is really the only one that I use is volume. Okay. But that is the yeah, get out of there. I gotta buy you. But that is the fractal. Okay. Good question though. Gotta learn, right? So give it a try. Check it out. Do your research. There's some YouTube videos out there given by Williams himself. Hey, Robert Heath, how's it going? He asks, why, with all the tech and partnerships behind Matrix AI, wouldn't it sometimes surpass Ethereum at its all-time high? Well, here's the deal with Ethereum, okay? Here's the deal with Ethereum. And have you looked at Zill? I guess. Here's the deal with Ethereum. Have you looked at Zilliqa? Truthfully, they're trying to get their act together, man. They're lead programmers, you know, they're kind of having some you know, they're working through stuff, okay? And they're trying to really figure out this sharding thing. And they're really trying to get Ethereum to scale. And as we know, we have CryptoKitties. And the thing is with that one link, that one thing that we just looked at, EVX. Come on, thing. It's like slow for some reason. But EVX is oh, this thing's just dogging. EVX is just it's Ethereum based, right? Everex. It's Ethereum based. Let's go to their website again. And yeah, so they're going to do cross-border payments and stuff like that, remittances on Ethereum. Really? If they're trying to do that on DigiByte, I could understand. Yeah, DigiByte's like, yeah, I mean, yeah, doing it. But you know, come on. Ethereum has some scaling opportunities, because the more you use the network, the slower it's going to become, right? CryptoKitties. And for Matrix AI, with all the stuff, can it eventually pass it? Let's put it this way. I think it should, but will it? I don't know. Ethereum's embedded. I mean, we have these things like Everex and stuff like that using it or propping it up. 2-3 years might be a completely different story. Okay? Don't forget that Ethereum is a full, you know, it's a Turing complete. And the more coins that get on that use that, you can think of it as being a larger and larger surface area for attack. It could also be a larger surface area that will expose bugs, okay, that might have gone unnoticed. So we'll see. We'll see. But Matrix AI, if you guys don't know, it's man. M-A-N. Oh, Gemini, Christopher, slow as a dog. There it is. Matrix AI, man, is the ticker. Where can you get that bad boy? Coin Egg, Qcoin, okay. L-Bank, yeah, right. Stay with Qcoin. Their customer service replies back as well. I had an issue and they responded back, so that's cool. But yeah, check out Matrix AI. They have a thing with the One Belt One Road initiative with China. The only other one that does that is the Key. The Key has a big time government partnership with China. So do these guys. Okay, but yeah, check them out. They have a lot of stuff going on. You know, they have a nice roadmap. They've been ticking stuff off, and yeah, check them out. I should probably do a full I probably will. I think I will do a full review on Matrix. It's about time. But yeah, Ethereum, it's just because of all those ICOs and stuff like that. It was super easy to build on, just to get something out, and so people could get money and stuff like that. And so right now it's like number 2. So it's like the it's like what's out there right now. It's certainly, in my opinion, not the best platform to launch an ICO on, or STO. That to me is without a doubt VeChain. I mean, without a doubt, VeChain is the best platform to launch an ICO on. If you're looking to do that, yeah. Another one that comes kind of close, if you want real limited functionality, would be Stellar. Okay, but VeChain by far. And if you just want cash payments, well then, forget it. You're going to be competing against DigiByte. Sorry, DigiByte for the win. You know. Anyway, enough of that. Okay, Hanjo, you still there? I just opened up my my Ether, not my Ether. My gosh, I don't have a My Ether wallet. I just opened up the DigiByte wallet. Okay, and so you say you want to hear the ding. Okay, so it's like I have it right up to the microphone. So you do your thing. And Cat Chichi says BNB is going higher and higher. Yeah. Zilliqa apparently has some bugs. Really? Well, I know they're still working stuff out. See if there's anything on their Twitter. Stuff like that would probably be actually on their Reddit, right? I'm Joe. I haven't heard a beep. Haven't heard a cha-ching thingy. Just look and see if there's any bugs here. Yeah, third wave of grants for building utilities and apps. Zilliqa wallet Zilpay. Yeah. Yeah, if you know the bugs, let me know. Send me a link or whatever. That'd be cool. I'll like check it out. So I'm a fan of Zil. I actually hold it. Yay. Oh, you said you already sent it to me? Let's see. Hopefully a penny. Just a test, right? Well, I see one for 10 DGB on 325. That must be you, right? So it actually, were you trying to do something different? Whatever you're trying to do, it worked. Okay, so that's really cool. That's awesome. You know, the DigiByte wallet works, guys. I mean, it works. The VeChain wallet works. There are some bugs and stuff. If you haven't heard, check out Exodus. Check out Exodus. There's been some people complaining about losing funds and stuff. It's like, yeah, Hanjo, it's 10 DGB I got at today at 9:53 and 28 seconds. Okay, and that is California time. So that would be what, 7:53:28. So you do the math for whenever you hit it, but that's what it says. It says completed or processed on my little phone. Isn't that cool to play with that stuff? I gotta go and take a look at another thing that really looked cool was the DigiCafe. Yeah. Oh, Kachichi says signal from Zil calling all bug hunter. Yeah, they could be doing that. VeChain did that before they released, before they went big to define bugs and stuff like that. But I'll do some research and stuff like that. Will it have some bugs? Yeah, I mean, it'll probably have some bugs. I don't expect it to be 100% clear. I mean, I'm a developer. I understand these things, man. On bugs and stuff, it's like if they don't have a bug, then I question it. Okay, everything has a bug. It has to, and then it goes and gets reviewed and tried, and you know, nothing is perfect the first round. Oh, and Hanjo said it took 30 seconds. And this is the transfer from Hawaii to California on DigiByte. So not too shabby. And keep in mind, in a not so distant future, that speed is going to be cut in half, right? It's going to be cut in half because the DigiByte is going to double in speed pretty soon. Anyway, guys, that's about it for the night. I hope you have a good one. And don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified, all that good stuff. And no, Chi-Chi, I don't use Blockfolio at all. I'm sorry. Don't use Blockfolio at all. Yeah. Anyway, you guys have a great night. And don't forget, like, subscribe, get notified. If you have more questions and stuff after the stream, go ahead and put them in the comments and stuff, because that helps the channel as well. And I usually answer every single one, or at least I try. Okay, guys, have a good night. Checking out. Bye.